Avalanche is the home of custom Layer 1 blockchains, but how do these new L1s all launch in a secure, decentralized way and ready for real adoption on day one? That's exactly the problem that Suzaku solves. Let's look into Suzaku. My name is DeFi Sai. I create content around crypto, blockchain, Web3 and more. I am a member of Avalanche Team 1 and I'm making it my mission to explain about this tech and why it matters to you. So jump on, follow on my socials and subscribe to my YouTube at DeFi_Sai to see all of my content. So first up, let's take a super quick look into the Avalanche architecture and what we mean by custom Layer 1. Avalanche isn't just one single blockchain, it's a whole ecosystem made up of many Layer 1s, all working in harmony. This lets Avalanche scale horizontally, meaning it can handle huge traffic and many different applications without congestion or high fees. So what does this actually mean? Now think of each Avalanche Layer 1, or subnet as they were formerly known, as its own mini blockchain, customized with its own rules, tokens and validators. Another one, with its own unique set, can run side by side. They don't slow each other down, and that means that apps can get exactly the environment they need, and it means that any project or institution can run on their own unique Layer 1 blockchain. This is why we're seeing so many new chains coming from massive financial institutions to gaming and meme coins, all launching their own Layer 1 on Avalanche. Now I did do a full deep dive explaining all about Avalanche's Layer 1 architecture. It's on the Team 1 blog and also on YouTube, so check the links for that. But launching an Avalanche Layer 1 isn't just about writing code. The hardest part is securing your chain from day one, attracting validators, stakers, and building trust before the network even exists. This is where Suzaku comes in. Suzaku solves this day one security challenge by becoming the decentralization hub for Avalanche L1s. It connects stakers who provide capital and security, validators who deliver professional infrastructure, and new Avalanche Layer 1s who can launch stronger, safer and more decentralized. But Suzaku is more than just any old marketplace. It provides security modules, frameworks that let each L1 evolve from permission POA to dual staking to full proof of stake sovereign as it matures. Suzaku doesn't just help Layer 1s launch, it supports them across their entire journey to decentralization. So let's break this down and look at Suzaku in detail. First up, we've got liquid staking for L1s. Now staking is when you lock up your tokens to help secure a blockchain, and in return you earn rewards for contributing to the network. Staking is critical to blockchain security, but it usually comes with trade-off. Assets get locked, rewards are inflexible and liquidity disappears. Suzaku fixes this with liquid staking. Liquid staking lets you earn those rewards while keeping your tokens flexible, so it means you can still trade, use or restake them instead of having them locked up. Now with Suzaku you can stake AVAX, BTC.B, AUSD or Avalanche LSTs. You receive liquid stake with tokens in return. You can keep earning rewards while staying flexible. Staking becomes simple, rewarding and liquid, and it's designed for Avalanche's modular multi-layer 1 future. There's also restaking with AVAX, LSTs and BTC.B. New L1s need security, but securing each chain separately fragments capital. Suzaku enables restaking, letting the same asset secure multiple networks. So with Suzaku, users earn extra rewards. Avalanche Layer 1s gain stronger crypto economic security and costs don't increase. One asset, many layers of protection, shared security for the Avalanche ecosystem. There's also the Suz token. Now, at the center of Suzaku is the Suz token, which powers the protocol with utility. There's governance, liquid staking, restaking, and network incentives. There's alignment. It connects validators, stakers, curators, and Layer 1s. The Suz token gives contributors a way to share in Suzaku's growth. So let's take a quick look at the Suz tokenomics. It launched with a max supply of 100 million. 30% was reserved for ecosystem incentives, grants, hackathons, and reward, and 7.5% was kept for community airdrops. Now, Suz is the coordination layer that keeps the marketplace aligned and rewards participation. Big news recently from Suzaku that we've just seen a massive capital raise. To scale their vision, Suzaku recently raised $1.5 million that was all backed by Blizzard Fund and the Avalanche Foundation, by YieldYak, Tegrity Capital and 50 partners, public contributors via CDeFi, Swissborg and Colony. Now this raise is more than capital, it's a validation that the Avalanche ecosystem believes Suzaku is becoming core infrastructure. Now what Suzaku is doing really well is its early contributor rewards. So for the early contributor rewards, Suzaku makes sure its first believers are its biggest winners. Season 1 saw over $600,000 in airdrops distributed. 9 million plus TV hours achieved. Season 2 is an ongoing points campaign. You can stake or restake Suz, all of the other tokens, etc. and you can earn boosted multipliers plus daily points. You can also secure eligibility for future airdrops. Now the earlier you get on this and the more you earn. Suzaku rewards all those people that help him build its foundation. So let's look at the strategic importance of Suzaku. as we mentioned, Avalanche isn't just one blockchain, it's an ecosystem of sovereign layer 1s, each customized for its own use case. L1s define their own governance, economics, and validators. They run side by side, interoperable through Avalanche. AvaCloud also helps make launching of these new L1s as simple as a few clicks. Now, all of this horizontal scaling avoids the bottlenecks of monolithic chains like Ethereum or Solana. Now, this all only works if every new layer 1 can launch with a real decentralization and credible security. Suzaku ensures that Avalanche's multi-chain future is not only possible, it's sustainable. So what's the TLDR here for Suzaku? The TLDR is that Suzaku is Avalanche's restaking and decentralization hub, solving the day one security challenge for new L1s. It connects stakers, validators, and new Avalanche chains in a shared security marketplace with liquid staking and restaking, all powered by AVAX, LSDs, BTC.B, and more. The Suz token aligns contributors while early supporters can earn through points, multipliers, and airdrops. It's all backed by the Avalanche Foundation, Blizzard Fund, and leading partners. Suzaku is becoming a foundational building block for Avalanche's multi-chain future. In short, Suzaku makes it possible for every new Avalanche L1 to launch decentralized, secure, and scalable from day one. So this is big for Avalanche, but why does it matter so much? Now, Suzaku was part of the first wave of Avalanche's Retro 9000 grants, a grant system from the Avalanche Foundation. Since then, Suzaku has consistently delivered on its milestones, and it's fast becoming a key part of shaping how Avalanche is becoming the chain where capital connects. Suzaku is shaping the future of finance with an ecosystem of custom, sovereign, L1s, all works in harmony. But without secure validator bootstrapping, liquid staking, and shared liquidity, the whole vision is fragmentation. Suzaku is solving this by powering decentralization from day one, making staking liquid and accessible, enabling capital efficient restaking, and rewarding early contributors, all aligning the ecosystem with Suz. Now, in 5 years, most Avalanche Layer 1s are probably going to trace their first validators all the way back to Suzaku. And that's why Suzaku matters. It's the backbone of Avalanche's network of networks. So jump in, get involved, follow Suzaku on X at Suzaku Network, check out the website, suzaku.network. My name is DeFi Sai, hope you enjoyed this video. If you do this type of content around crypto, blockchain, Web3 and Avalanche, jump on, like and subscribe on YouTube and follow me on all the socials. Peace out.